Hey guys, it's Harmony Skillman from Paradise Travel, and I'm here at Beaches Ocho Rios. We just arrived. I'm going to give you a little room tour. I'll put the room category in the description because I'm not even 100% sure what this is. This is a concierge level room. We landed in Montego Bay and took the 2-hour drive, the transfer. But now, the great thing is you can actually fly directly into Ocho Rios from Miami. I believe there's daily service, and that airport is only a few minutes away from this amazing family resort. I'm Harmony Skillman. I'm a Chairman's Royal Club member, so I know all the resorts. I'm the highest level of travel agent that Beaches and Sandals has. I've actually been here before, did a tour last year, but now it's my first time staying. So let's take a peek into our concierge level room. We're in 1304. Come on in. We just arrived, so we're waiting for our luggage. And this room has a king bed. And also, I love these robes. We're gonna request a little kitty robe for my daughter and cute slippers. Those are concierge level perks. We have a safe, we have a closet. And you know what, let's check out the bathroom real quick before we see the rest of the room. This is a really big bathroom. It has a tub for the littles, which is great. And then a single sink. And of course, the Red Lane Spa products that I love and will be taking home with me. And then we have a very large king bed, nice little bedroom area. This room sleeps 4. This resort also only has rooms for 5 or less guests and luxury or concierge level, no butler level. So we have a microwave. All the Beaches rooms have microwaves, coffee, and then wine. My wine is coming. At Beaches, you have to sign a form saying that you're okay with the alcohol in the room with the minors. But otherwise, we're well stocked with juices, waters, and sodas. And then let's go check out what's down here. Some steps. And then this sleeps another 2 guests. We have a day bed and a trundle. So this is a nice big twin size bed. Then the trundle pulls out. And then a little desk area. What I think is going to be the best part of this room is this enormous balcony overlooking the pool and the beach. Let's check it out. So we have the rest of the resort up here, and then going around, we have the pool. This resort actually only has 1 pool, but it has a swim-up bar. Hi! It's gonna be in our video. See, we have a swim-up bar, we have the beautiful ocean, we have a cove-style beach. We'll show you some more around. Be sure to follow. I'll post all my socials on here. We're about to get our swimsuits on. We're so excited to be out of the cold and to be here at Beaches Ocho Rios. If you are looking to book your Beaches or Sandals trip, be sure to reach out. I don't charge any fees for trips like this. I know all the resorts help you with everything. Yeah, it's beautiful. We're gonna pan through the beach, the hot tub, swim-up bar. Where's all the people? It's not even that crowded. All right, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.